Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Don't forget to subscribe!
Have you ever wondered how computers are so smart? They seem like geniuses that know everything, but deep down, they actually only speak a language made of 2 words. Let's shrink down and discover the secret code hidden inside your device. Computers run on electricity, just like a lamp in your bedroom. Electricity is tricky because it's hard to measure exactly, but it has 2 main modes that are easy to see. It's either flowing or it's not. Think of it like a light switch that is either on or off. In computer language, we call the off signal 0 and the on signal 1. This is called binary code. The word binary starts with bi, which means 2, just like a bicycle has exactly 2 wheels. It's a whole language made of nothing but zeros and ones. So how did 2 numbers say so much? Imagine a row of 8 light bulbs. By turning different ones on and off, we create a special pattern. This pattern acts like a secret code that stands for a specific letter, a number, or even a color. Every movie you watch and video game you play is actually millions of these tiny switches flipping on and off. The computer reads the massive lists of zeros and ones and instantly translates them into the colorful graphics and sounds you experience. But why not use numbers 1 through 10? Because it's hard for electricity to be halfway on. It's much safer to just use on or off. This makes it super clear for the computer, so it doesn't make any mistakes while it's thinking. Here is the mind-blowing part. Computers can flip these tiny switches billions of times every single second. They are so fast that they turned simple binary code into complex worlds before you can even blink. So, the next time you tap your tablet or click a mouse, remember the secret. It's all just a super fast, endless stream of ones and zeros dancing behind the screen. Binary makes the digital world possible.